Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with or you are thinking of. So please feel free to pick your sides however the reading resonates with you. And as they are general energies, they obviously will not resonate with each and every one of you. So in that case, you can check your moon sign and your name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what we have for Scorpios. We have the King of Cups and the Three of Pentacles on your partner side. Outcome is the Six of Swords. So with the Queen of Cups, a lot of emotions are there, even if you are showing them or you are not showing them. But there is a lot of emotions on your side. But I don't think you are showing them much. You are very emotionally controlled and emotionally mature. That's what you are coming off. You are not showing your emotions much over here. With the Three of Pentacles, this person has stepped up in some way, shape, or form. It can be a third party. It can be a love triangle or a third party situation in some cases. It can be a third party situation over here in some cases. And with the Six of Swords as the mutual energy, what I feel is you're moving away from the situation. Let's see who is moving away and what's happening. Let's see. So why is King of Cups over here for Scorpios? Three of Cups, the Justice, and the Two of Wands. I have taken my cards, 3 cards, and it has flown off, so I've just kept it. Let's see. So here there is some sort of a celebration which is going on. There is happiness, there is party time, but again I'm getting, I think it is a love triangle over here. It's a third party situation, and I think some sort of truth has come out. Maybe this is what you have found out now. Again, there are options over here with the Two of Wands. Somebody has options over here. I think this situation is a love triangle whom I'm dealing with, and that truth has come up. I'll just read this Fool card later on. Let's see what it has to convey. Okay, but in this situation, what I feel is, though you are happy and you are celebrating it, but some sort of truth has come up. Things are getting sorted out and balanced. I think your options are there. The Two of Wands. Somebody has options over here. Let's see what's there for Three of Pentacles on your partner side. Ace of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, and the Magician. So this person is unburdening something to manifest some solid, stable commitment and a beginning in their life. So this person wants a new beginning. They are feeling very burdened and they want to unburden themselves. They have the capability to manifest a new beginning. They want a stable new beginning, and it is coming in. That's what they are manifesting, and it is coming in. Okay, they are unburdening themselves from whatever the situation is for a new beginning, which is stable, which is committed. I'll have to see everything and then put it together. Let's see. The mutual energy is coming off as Six of Swords. Let's see why Six of Swords here for. Cards are falling out. Let's see. That has fallen out there and now the strength. Let's see. What's there? The Moon, Five of Wands, and the Devil. I'll take my 3 cards and keep them aside for additional messages. Now here with the so again there is a Moon card. Definitely, whosoever I'm talking to is this is a love triangle. Definitely, it is a there. Somebody has options over here. The things are not very clear. That is a mystery. Things are, you don't even know the feelings of each other. There is something which is happening, and with the Justice, definitely things are, the truth is coming out, or it will come out in the near future. It will come out, though perhaps with the Moon card, it is definitely, it is somebody has options here. This is a love triangle. Okay, and that is why with the Five of Wands, there is a lot of argument. You are not able to convince the other person. Arguments keep on happening, and with the Devil, it is definitely something negative which is controlling this relationship, whatever this relationship is. And that is why with the Six of Swords, I think you are moving away. Both of you, I think, will be moving away from this situation because you want peace. This person, whosoever, there's a mutual energy, is this relationship is getting very, very toxic. That's what I'm trying to say. Perhaps there are a lot of arguments, there are a lot of fights over here, and you really don't see any future. That's what I feel. There is no future to this relationship, and it's getting toxic and toxic with all the arguments and heated conversations, and maybe the controlling behavior of both of you, or one of you, whatever it is. Okay, and the Strength card had come out on this in this mutual connection, so it is requiring a lot of strength. So it's becoming sort of unbearable for both of you, I think, and you've been dealing with this situation, and perhaps it is no more, and that is why you decide to move away. I think this is the mutual energy, so I think you are parting away, though it is requiring a lot of strength on your part. But because, and here with the Fool, as I said, it's a new beginning. So what I feel here is that though emotions are there, and it's a love triangle, truth has come out, somebody is moving away, there are options, somebody wants to take a new journey, and with the Fool, this person is also deciding to have a new beginning and a fresh beginning, a new life. And on this side also we have the Magician, and this person is also manifesting something long term and stable commitment. So, and because this is getting toxic and toxic, both of you perhaps mutually decide to walk away and leave this situation, because both of you want a new beginning, and this person also wants a commitment, and perhaps both of you decide to come out of this love triangle which is getting toxic and toxic. You're not happy in this situation. There are a lot of arguments, fights, and you don't see any future in it. But it is definitely a love triangle, whomsoever I'm talking to. So that's all I have for you, Scorpios. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.